This video shows you how to define recipients and groups in the reporting section of a Qlik Cloud app using an Excel xlsx file. From the reporting section of the app, select the Recipients tab. Click the Add Recipients and Groups button and select Download Example. Open the example file and ensure you have the Distribution List Users sheet opened. Next, you can replace the data within the sheet to add your own recipients. Do not change or remove the first row showing the column headers. In the Name column, add the recipient's name. In the Email column, add the recipient's email address. Note that this column is automatically formatted to be a hyperlink with an email address destination. In the Filters column, add the filter groups that correspond to those added in the Filters tab in the app's reporting section. If the filters have not yet been created, you can create them after completing the Users import. You can add more than one filter separated by commas. In the Groups column, add the groups to which the recipient belongs. You can add more than one group, separating them with a comma. You can add groups in a similar way to how you add users. On the second sheet, add the name of the group in the Name column. In the second column, add a description. After you've created the source file, upload it into the reporting section by selecting the option Upload New Version. Browse to the location where your file is stored and upload it. The recipients are now uploaded in the Recipients section. If you navigate to the Groups section, you'll see that the groups have also been created. The filters instead must be added in the Filters section. In this case, we're going to create one filter for the region USA and another for the region Nordic. These two filters will filter the reports for the selected countries. Be sure that the filter name matches with the one you're using for the recipients. Your recipients can only be edited in the source file. If you need to make edits, update the source file and re-upload it. If you need to remove the entire distribution list, you can click Delete All Recipients. When you upload a source file, a new section, Distribution List, is automatically generated in the app's load script and the app reloads. This script section lists the recipients and groups for the app. You can use the load script directly to add recipients and groups to your app rather than uploading a file. This is a suitable option for advanced users, and especially helps if you'd like to use data source connections to provide the recipient and group information. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.